Hi, welcome back to Graphixslice channel. So today we are going to discuss stacked wall. So what do you mean by stacked wall and how to prepare a stacked wall and how to prepare a subwalls in a stacked wall we will discuss in today's topic. Revit includes a stacked wall system family for modeling walls that comprise two or more subwalls stacked on top of each other. So means the subwalls can have different wall thicknesses at different heights. Means we can prepare a two or more subwalls at different heights and different thicknesses. So how to prepare those things? See here. It's one of the system family. So here in properties, so these are all the types of basic walls and we have a curtain wall types and the last one is stacked wall. This is the only one type of system family we have under stacked wall. So select this and if you want to edit it, go to the edit type. Here you can edit it. So see here, this one is foundation is always with the height of fixed height of 3 feet and the top one. So common wall or basic wall is variable, means you can prepare up to RCC level, means first floor level or second floor level or third floor level you can define. That's why it's in variable condition. So this one is foundation representation is always in 3 feet only. So you can increase and decrease, you can customize it manually also, but by default it shows 3 feet only. So how it shows by default one? See here in preview, click preview, it shows like this. So this is foundation parameter, this one, and this one is exterior brick. So by default it includes material and everything. So you can't edit this portion, means top portion directly. You need to prepare one basic wall, means you need to customize basic wall. After that in this list it shows customized basic wall type. So by using that customized basic wall we can load here, but directly you can't edit materials or thicknesses of the basic wall here. So next one, this one is also same foundation. Here also you can prepare a basic walls. So here also you can apply different thicknesses to prepare a foundations or footings. See here, so offset level is there, core center line, wall center line. See the observe here, it shows the differences. So by default core center line is available. After that we can change to wall center line or else finish face exterior. Like this we can change the position of the sub wall. So how it shows or else how it looks under 3D view. So just click OK. I'm going to prepare it in ground level, nothing but a level 1. So what about its height? So it's unconnected, it shows up to 20 feet, but I'm going to connect this up to RCC. So just I'm going to draw one simple wall. But so this wall is prepared from ground level to RCC, but I want this from foundation level. So just click base constraint, change the base constraints from foundation level to RCC. Just click apply. So it creates from foundation to RCC. So go to any elevation view to view that. See here, it shows like this. This is in 2D view. So if you want to view realistic, click realistic. So automatically it shows a realistic view, 2D or realistic. How it looks in 3D? See, with materials it shows like this. So foundation material plus as well as basic wall material. So this is stacked wall. So you can customize it. So how to customize stacked wall? So you can prepare your own basic wall types to customize this, means thickness or material and any other things. So just go to the wall. So I'm going to pick generic wall, edit, just duplicate it, and I'm going to rename it as basic 1. I'm going to name it as a basic 1. After that in edit type you can add the layers. So as we discussed in session 1, we know that how to add a layers and how to add the materials for that and how to add a thickness. You know all these things. So we discussed in wall chapter, right? And you can add material also. How to prepare a wall and how to prepare a compound wall and other things, just go and watch my previous sessions. So I'm going to select this again, I'm going to edit it. See here, so now this sub wall I'm going to edit with the help of customized basic wall. So with the name of basic 1 we prepared, right? where it is, here it is. So with different thickness and different material. So this basic wall with a thickness of 9 inches we have. So additionally, same way we can add the different thicknesses for this foundation also. See, now it changes the color or material of the object, material of the wall. So like this it will represents. So even if I want to change the stacked wall material, or else, so if you want to change the stacked wall material, you can't change directly, so you have to use this one. So where it is exterior CMA1, so you need to select basic wall type. Under that you can change exterior, this one, select this, and edit type. Here you can change the material. So I'm going to change this concrete, again same concrete masonry units. For both sides I'm going to assign same material. See, after assigning it, here also you'll get concrete masonry unit for both sides, for this side and this side. See, just to orbit the screen, hold shift and middle scroll button, so you can orbit. So 360-degree rotation you will get in 3D view. So for zoom in, zoom out, use middle scroll button. So for pan, hold middle scroll button and move like this. Foundation level to ground level, you'll get a foundation. So after that, from ground level to RCC level, you'll get a basic wall. This is about stack wall. So we know already how to prepare a stack wall, but now we are going to see how to customize the foundation. So first I'm going to prepare a wall. So basic wall I'm going to prepare. So just I'm going to select foundation wall, or else any generic wall, whatever it may be. So okay, if I go to the generic, edit type, duplicate, so here you can select the thickness of the wall. So I'm going to select, here you can specify the name. Okay, I'm going to enter 2 feet, and thickness also same, I'm going to assign 2 feet. After that I'm going to assign a material. So for material I'm going to assign this square type stone. This is 2 feet. So next I'm going to prepare one more wall, 1.5 feet. So with the same material, or else if you want to change, you can change the material by using option here. Just here I prepared 2 wall types. Then I'm going to load those foundation or footing levels here. So just go to edit. So here you can add like this, we can add the different levels. Next I'm going to add a wall type 2 feet, and then 1.5 feet. So and even you can assign a height. So for this I'm going to assign half feet, and for this 1 feet, and for this 1.5 feet. The total height becomes 3 feet itself. So this is 6, this is 1.5. I think 1.5 and 2 both are same. So I'm going to edit, pick a wall. Here in 1.5, change the thickness of the wall. See here, we forgot to change. So now I'm editing this. See here, you'll get the appearance. In wall type, go and select that, this one, change the thickness also. So I'm going to edit. So just I'm going to reduce 3 inches. That's it. See here. So now you'll get the different footing levels for the foundation. Like this we can customize the foundation details. So one sub wall is required to have a variable height. This is the variable height. So we have a sub wall. Its height changes relative to the height of the other sub walls. So you cannot edit the height field when the sub wall is variable. So why? Because it's variable means you can set to 10 feet, 20, whatever it may be, depending upon the flow rate we can set it. So this is the steps or method to prepare a customized foundation for a stacked wall. So directly you can't edit, you need to go to prepare a basic wall with different thicknesses. After that we can load it into stacked wall edit option. So try this once. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit like also.